Today I am reviewing the MSI Titan 18HX AI A2XWJG 640CA 18-inch UHD plus 120Hz Mini LED gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Titan 18HX AI gaming laptop is a true powerhouse, designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand top-tier performance and cutting-edge technology. This 2025 flagship gaming laptop combines an 18-inch UHD plus Mini LED display, Intel Core Ultra 9-285HX processor, and NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU, making it one of the most capable laptops on the market for gaming, AI-powered tasks, and high-end creative work. Let's start with the processor. The Intel Core Ultra 9-285HX is a state-of-the-art CPU with extreme multitasking capabilities. With multiple high-performance cores and ultra-fast clock speeds, this processor ensures smooth performance even under the heaviest workloads, whether it's running AAA games, 3D rendering software, video editing suites, or AI applications. Combined with Windows 11 Pro, you get a seamless user experience, optimized for both productivity and gaming. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with 24GB of GDDR5 memory. This GPU delivers blazing fast frame rates, stunning ray-traced visuals, and AI-enhanced features like DLSS 4, making it ideal for ultra-high-resolution gaming, VR experiences, and professional 3D rendering. Whether you're exploring open-world games, competitive esports titles, or demanding creative software, this laptop ensures smooth, lag-free performance at the highest settings. The 18-inch UHD plus Mini LED display is another highlight of the MSI Titan 18HX. With a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR 1000 support, it offers crisp, vibrant visuals and fluid motion, ideal for competitive gaming and immersive storytelling in movies and games. The 100% DCI P3 color gamut ensures accurate and vivid colors, perfect for professional photo and video editing. Every scene feels lifelike, and a larger screen size with Mini LED technology gives you a more immersive and enjoyable viewing experience compared to traditional displays. When it comes to memory and storage, the MSI Titan 18HX doesn't compromise. It packs an astonishing 64GB DDR5 RAM, ensuring that multitasking, heavy workloads, and AI computations run effortlessly. Storage is handled by a massive combination of 2TB Gen5 NVMe SSD and dual 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSDs, providing lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application loading, and massive space for games, media, and projects. This combination ensures that speed and capacity never become a bottleneck, making it suitable for professional creators and serious gamers alike. The laptop also comes with a Cherry mechanical RGB keyboard, providing tactile, responsive feedback for gaming and typing. The customizable RGB lighting adds a premium aesthetic, letting you personalize your setup to match your style. Combined with advanced cooling solutions and state-of-the-art thermal management, the MSI Titan 18HX keeps temperatures low and performance consistent, even during extended gaming sessions or heavy computational tasks. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 7, ensuring ultra-fast internet speeds for downloads, streaming, and cloud-based tasks. Whether you're in a competitive online match or transferring large files, your connection remains stable and lightning-fast. In conclusion, the MSI Titan 18HX AI A2XWJG 640CA is an unmatched gaming and productivity laptop. With its Intel Core Ultra 9-285HX processor, NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU, 64GB DDR5 RAM, and massive multi-tier NVMe storage, it's designed to handle everything from high-end gaming to AI-driven workloads with ease. The 18-inch UHD plus Mini LED display with HDR 1000 and 100% DCI P3 color accuracy provides a visual feast, while the mechanical RGB keyboard and advanced connectivity complete a truly premium experience. If you're looking for the ultimate laptop for gaming, creative work, or AI-powered tasks, the MSI Titan 18HX AI gaming laptop is simply in a class of its own. It's a future-proof investment for anyone who wants power, speed, and an immersive experience in one high-end package.